Happy New Year! In 2022, our number one resolution is to continue helping you delight customers as you grow. In fact, let's walk through a handful of the new features and updates we've already introduced. Our app marketplace just surpassed 1,000 integrations. Each of you are looking for specific ways to center and fulfill your customers' needs. And with over 1,000 apps, there's something perfect just for you. Want help navigating it all? Pop the champagne. We're celebrating this milestone with a curated collection of customers' top-rated, HubSpot certified, and G2 leader-built apps. This special edition collection is full of integrations with high customer value. Marketers, did you know that attribution reporting is one of the best ways to see which of your efforts have your customers going wild? Now you can bring attribution reporting into the campaigns tool. This duo is a no-brainer. Duh! Campaigns align your team around specific, goal-driven initiatives. Identify what has generated new contacts, deals, and revenue, so you can do more of what works and less of what doesn't to see your ROI grow. Hear that? We love engines around here. Specifically, workflows, our automation engine. What about automating those repetitive business processes that aren't tied to a specific contact record change or event? Say no more. Now you can automate your most repetitive recurring tasks, data cleanup, team reminders, and more. Save energy, save time, rev that engine. A new year means decluttering and cleaning. Let's clear off your dashboard too. You can now assign HubDB tables to specific users and teams, so only they can access it. No need to see extra HubDB tables that don't pertain to you or specific users on your crew. Use this update to Marie Kondo team access and effectively manage your structured content. New year, new me, new HubDB table access. Pretty sure that's how the saying goes. Understanding customer opinion is major for success in 2022. Surveys are an easy way to hear directly from the source. Gotten some juicy intel from earlier customer survey questions and want to reuse them? You can now select previously used survey questions from a question bank to easily build a custom survey. We've got a great year lined up for you and your customers. See you in February for more.